Now guys, the third step will be to convert this script to the video, right? So this is the another step which we will going to follow. So here if you will going to note, using chat GPT and this gravity, right, we have generated this script. Now we have to convert this script into video. So for this we will going to use another tool. So you can simply search for my-link.in slash pictory. Okay, everything is small. I will also going to attach the link below, okay, or in the description. So you have to use this tool and write this. Okay, I will also going to attach the link in the description resources. Just write everything in small, my-link.in slash pictory. Click on enter button and you will go to this tool. Now this tool is very powerful and very amazing. It can convert any text to videos in a minute. It can turn any URL into videos, long form videos into engaging clips. It can convert, it can even add some captions and plenty of other things. So you can just explore this. So I can just simply click on this get started for free, and here I will simply going to click on continue with Google to create the free account. Let's just go ahead, boom. And then what do you want, why do you want to use Pictory? Okay, for my personal use you can just select any of the option, that doesn't matter. So here you can see you have a lot of options, like you can just convert any text to video, URL to video, and plenty of other things. Now basically Pictory is in free trials. Okay, you can just try it for free for 14 days, and then if you are interested you can upgrade. So that's totally up to you. And same thing with the gravity, right? It's free. Okay, you can see free for always, but in case if you want some additional features and all, so in that case you can even upgrade. Okay, same with the Pictory, and you will going to understand how powerful this tool is, okay, in a little bit.